Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Saturday, May the 9th. We have a regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this daily newspaper there is also an additional with several Sudokus, but first I will solve this Sudoku, regular Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here 7 in this row, a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then an 8 in this row, an 8 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for a 5 should be here, here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only one place for the 5 should be there. A 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be here. The 9 in the first column, the 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this first, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then in the first column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. Then 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Then a 3 in the last row, a 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be here. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Then 3 boxes left in this big square. The numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. The 3, 7, and the 6. I see here the 3 and the 7. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. 1 box left should be the 6. Here we have the 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left. In the middle, a row for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then How about let me see. How about um, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only box left for the 8 should be this one. These two boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 6. 1 and a 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and a 6, that means these two boxes are for the numbers 7 and the 1 and a 6. 7 and a 2. 7 and a 2. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. One and 6. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. These 2 numbers were the 1 and the 2, I remember. In the third row, 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Then 2 numbers left in the last row for the number 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. How about these two numbers in the first row? The 3 and the 2 are missing. The 3 and the 2. I cannot finish this, fill this yet, so I need to write 3 and the the 2 and the 3. The other two numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Yes. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. Now we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there, and these two numbers, the 2 and the 3 of this big square, are missing. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. And the last number of this big square for the number 9. Finish in 11 minutes for this Sudoku Medium. Well. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified by YouTube when I have uploaded new ones. Anyway, thank you for watching. So see you the next time, and keep on puzzling. Thank you and bye bye.